In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish Facebook Reels from Meta Business Suite. First, make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that manages your page. On your computer, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can access it either from the left-hand menu of your Facebook page or directly by searching for Meta Business Suite in your browser. Once it loads, you'll see the main dashboard, which shows your pages, messages, and insights. Check that the correct Facebook page or profile is selected in the top area so you create the reel for the right account. On the home screen of Meta Business Suite, look for the option that says Create Reel. This is usually near the top or in the content creation section. Click on Create Reel to open the Reels Composer. This is where you'll build everything. Choose your video, add text, and get it ready to publish. Inside the Reels Composer, you'll see a preview area and some options on the side. Click on Add Video to select the media you want to use. You can upload a video directly from your computer. Choose a clip that's vertical or at least works well in a vertical format, since Reels are designed for mobile viewing. After you select your video, give it a moment to upload and process. Once it appears in the preview, play it back to make sure the quality and framing look good. Next, you can add text to your reel. Click into the text field where it prompts you to add your text or caption. Here, type a short, clear description of your reel. You can include context, a call to action, or relevant hashtags. Keep in mind that the first line is the most important because that's what people will see first, so make it engaging and easy to understand. Read it back once to check spelling and clarity. When you're happy with the video and text, click on Next. This will take you to the editing and final setup page. Here you can make additional tweaks, such as adjusting settings, confirming where the reel will be posted, and reviewing any options that are available in your account. Take a moment on this screen to double check the page you're posting from, the caption, and the preview of your reel. Finally, when everything looks right, go to the sharing section on this final page. You can choose to publish the reel immediately or schedule it for a later time if that option is available. Once your choices are set, confirm and share your reel. Meta Business Suite will then process